Stop. Look at the mess you think you've made. Think about the days you felt like a failure because a dream died or a plan shattered into 1,000 pieces. You've been staring at the broken glass, trying to glue it back together. But what if I told you those weren't broken pieces, they were seeds? Stop trying to force the harvest when Allah is still preparing the soil. You are so busy looking at the dirt that you've forgotten who is tending the garden. He is Allah, and He is Al-Khaliq, the Creator who creates out of nothing. Think about the night sky. It's dark, it feels empty, but without that darkness, you would never see the beauty of the stars. Your dark chapter is not the end of the book. It is the contrast that makes your light shine brighter. Every person who left was a distraction removed. Every opportunity you lost was a trap you were protected from. If you could see the unseen, you would realize that Allah's no was preparing a greater yes. Listen to the words that redefine your destiny. They planned, and Allah planned, and Allah is the best of planners, the best, not one of many, the best, better than your logic, better than your fear, better than your highest expectation. Your life is a scroll, and the ink has already been written with wisdom. Stop trying to rewrite what has already been perfected by the most wise. So, let the tension leave your shoulders. The storm you are fighting is washing away the roads you were never meant to walk. Say it with a heart that is finally at peace. Ya Allah, I accept your pen. When you stop fighting the story, you finally start feeling its beauty. You are not the author. You are the page where His miracles are written. Listen, your hands are too small to hold the universe, so put them together in dua and leave the universe to Him. The ink is mercy, the chapters are wisdom, the ending is victory. If you trust the ink of your life, type it, not as a comment, but as a promise. Ya Allah, I trust your plan. And share this with a soul that is still trying to hold the pen. Wait for the turn of the page.